How were UTI antibiotics like penicillin discovered from fungi? Imagine a tiny mold changing the course of medicine forever. That's exactly what happened in 1928 when Alexander Fleming, a scientist in London, noticed something unusual. He was working with bacteria that cause infections, including urinary tract infections. One day, he saw a petri dish with bacteria that had been accidentally contaminated by a mold. Around the mold, the bacteria weren't growing at all. Fleming realized that the mold was releasing a substance that stopped bacteria from multiplying. This mold was later identified as a species of Penicillium. Fleming called the substance penicillin. This accidental discovery was a huge breakthrough. It showed that fungi could produce natural substances that fight bacteria. Fleming's discovery was the first step toward developing antibiotics that could treat bacterial infections effectively. But turning this discovery into a usable medicine took many more years. Fleming's initial work was promising, but scientists needed to find ways to produce enough penicillin to treat patients. In the late 1930s and early 1940s, a team at Oxford University, led by Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, worked hard to solve this problem. They developed methods to grow large amounts of Penicillium mold, extract the penicillin, and purify it so it was safe for humans. Their efforts made it possible to produce penicillin on a mass scale, which was a game-changer for medicine. Before penicillin, bacterial infections like urinary tract infections could be very serious or even deadly because there were no effective treatments. Penicillin's ability to kill bacteria without harming human cells revolutionized how infections were treated. It opened the door for the development of many other antibiotics that help manage urinary tract infections and keep bladder health in check. So, in summary, antibiotics like penicillin were discovered from fungi through a lucky observation of mold stopping bacteria from growing. After that, scientists worked tirelessly to isolate, purify, and produce the antibiotic in large quantities. This discovery kicked off the antibiotic era, saving countless lives and greatly improving the treatment of urinary tract infections and other bacterial diseases. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for proper diagnosis and treatment options.